Hello YouTube, this is going to be my fire alarm test with my Simplex T-bar, the push in it. Here is my Spectral Alert Classic strobe. Let's test. Okay. There's my dog. There's my mom. I don't know why. There's my dog. Yeah, that's fine. All Boston Terriers mixed with look the same. Let's start the test.
So you hungry? You want to eat something?
Nah, I'm good, Mom. So that was my test right there. And also, I have another Simplex with no push and pull. And I have a strobe light Simplex. And let's test. Let's test. Okay, that one's pulled down. Let's test it. Okay, so let's reset it with the key. That was it, and bye. Thanks for watching.